Hello, my babies. I hate saying hello, my babies. God, I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys like it, but I don't like it. I want to say something different. I want to be like, what's up, you freaking bozos? What's up, bozos? That's gonna be my new intro. Y'all care if I call you bozos? Welcome back to another video, folks. In this video today, I'm gonna teach you guys how to be confident in the gym. I figured I would make this video today to help y'all out because mama has been in your position where you're new to the gym and it just feels super awkward and you don't feel as confident as you want to feel. But have no fear, kids. Mom's here to help you feel like the confident bad bitch that you are. So we're gonna do a countdown. Wait, how many tips do I have? I'm so prepared. Let me check. So 5 tips in this video today, and we're gonna start with number 5 and count down to number 1. We're gonna save the best tip for last, so make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss the best tip. Let's get started. Tip number 5. If you're totally a beginner when it comes to the gym, I would highly recommend watching the videos on the exercisers. That sounded like I had a country accent. Exercisers. Watch the videos on the exercises that you plan to do before you go to the gym. I feel like you just feel more prepared that way. I'm the last person that should talk on this because clearly I'm not the most prepared person in the world. But if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. You ever heard that quote? Well, you have now. I didn't start it. I don't know who started it, but let's just say Mama Swole started it. Yeah. Plagiarism. Gotta love it. Honestly, that's probably gonna be the hardest part if you're new to the gym, is just figuring out how to do the exercises properly. Actually, another tip that will help with that is personal trainer. If you get a personal trainer, that will help tremendously because then you have a buddy to teach you. And if you need a trainer, I'm just gonna throw a shameless plug. I do personal training. Email me at christina@mamaswole.com for personal training inquiries. But hey, if you do an exercise wrong, it's all good. Because when I first went to the gym, I did a lot of shit wrong, man. I got on machines backwards. I had no idea what I was doing, so it's okay. You learn from your mistakes. Look at me now. I've made it so far, and you can make it so far too. Use me as your inspiration because I'm so inspirational, right? All right. Tip number 4, wear an awesome outfit. Wear a kick-ass outfit. Get something that you feel bomb as fucking, and there's no way you're not gonna feel like this shit. Works every time, works like a charm. This is one of my top secrets to feeling confident in the gym. There's a famous quote from one of my favorite musicians, Mac Miller. You gotta work what you got. Just wear whatever makes you feel best. Whichever color, whichever style, whatever that means to you, just wear it. Tip number 3 is to understand that everybody's there for themselves. I know it sounds cliche. You've probably heard that before. If you haven't, well, I'm here to give you some breaking news. Everybody goes to the gym to work on their own bodies. So nobody really cares what you're doing. I would say probably like 90% of the people there, if they see somebody new, they don't judge them because they know what it's like. Most of the time, I just want to help that person. Like if they come up to me and they're like, hey, I'm new. Can you show me how to use this machine? Or am I doing this right? I am more than happy to help out. And I feel like most people at the gym will also feel the same way. Even the big buff dudes, man. The big buff dudes are sometimes some of the nicest people you meet. So also, like we all have our own insecurities. You might think that people there are looking at whatever you're insecure about, but they're not. Chances are they're looking at the things that they're insecure about. This might be a little bit shocking to some of you, but bodybuilders, sadly, may be some of the most insecure people in the world. Some people might not agree with me saying that, or some people are like, yeah, that's facts. Because we focus so much on our bodies. Just a tip, love yourself. I know I'm cheesy. My long-term subscribers know cheese sandwich time happens a lot in my videos. Subscribe for the cheese. Tip number 2. I know this might sound counterproductive to this video. This might sound like I'm contradicting myself, but sometimes you might have to just accept that you're gonna feel uncomfortable at first. The first time you go to the gym, it might be weird, and the more you try to fight it off, maybe the more awkward you're gonna feel. I don't know, everybody's different, but sometimes I think the best way to deal with your feelings is to just accept them. I'm not gonna cap. I've been lifting for 5 years, and if I go to a new gym and I'm still like getting used to the environment, I feel a little bit awkward. So it's like, it's not just you. It's not just beginners. It's just when you're in a new environment, you're bound to feel a little bit strange. It's okay. You're not strange. It's just new to you. It's fresh. So be easy on yourself. Don't beat yourself up for feeling awkward or uncomfortable. Like, just be like, you know what? I'm just a human, man. Every other human being on this earth feels this. So just accept it, man. That actually leads me into my last and best tip. My final tip is positive thinking. Once again, a little bit cheesy, a little bit cliche. We're all here for it, right? Positive thinking can take you so far. Honestly, positive thinking might be one of the most difficult exercises of them all. It's a mental exercise. Sometimes it's challenging because you might be feeling insecure, but you have to keep telling yourself, I'm a baddie. I'm a freaking baddie. Keep telling yourself till you believe it. I know at first you might be like, I just don't believe it though. I don't believe it. I know I'm telling myself this, but no, that's not how I really feel. But if you keep repeating it over and over and over again, it's just gonna get drilled into your little noggin, and then finally you are gonna start believing it. So if you're feeling feeling nervous or anxious, just keep telling yourself, I got this. I freaking got this. If you keep practicing it, it will work. It's like a metaphor for life, man. When you push through that insecure and uncomfortable feeling at the gym, it transfers to other aspects in your life. So it's like you face a challenge and you accomplish it and you overcome it, and then you just become a stronger person overall. So that's why we love the gym. That's why the gym is the best thing in the world. Those are my tips, folks. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. If you have any questions or concerns, comment them below. Or you could also comment the word confidence. That's a good word. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad so you can see more videos like this. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link is in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you guys so much. Or if you'd like to support me on Venmo, Cash App, or PayPal, link is also in the description. I got merch. Check it out, Swole Squad. Go get you some of that merch. The link is below. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.
How to get my weight up, yeah. Weight in the cake up, yeah. Turn up in the gym, know I'm calling Mama Swole. Bad little shawty and you know I'm on a roll.
Press like an empress, no one to impress with. Find me on the guest list. Got that Louis V necklace. Subscribe to the Mama Swole channel. Even if your name is Randall. Got it lit like a candle. Catch me swerving in the Lambo.